Today's content reveals DJI Air 3S review, a game changer in aerial photography and drone tech. The DJI Air 3S has officially landed, and it's making waves in the drone world. This next-gen drone comes with dual cameras, an advanced obstacle avoidance system, and impressive low-light capabilities, making it one of DJI's most powerful yet. Let's break down everything that sets this model apart from its predecessors and competitors, and see if it truly justifies the buzz. Cutting-edge safety. The LiDAR sensor for night flying. At the core of the Air 3S's upgrades is the introduction of the LiDAR, light detection and ranging sensor, designed specifically to enhance crash prevention during low-light conditions. For drone enthusiasts, night flying has always been challenging, fraught with dangers like low visibility and obstacles that are hard to detect. The LiDAR sensor is positioned in the nose of the drone and steps in to provide advanced obstacle detection after the sun goes down, which significantly increases flight safety. Night flying is no longer a risk-filled adventure. It's now a smooth and secure experience with the Air 3S. Superior camera for low-light mastery. The Air 3S also comes equipped with a redesigned primary camera. This 50-megapixel camera features a larger 1-inch sensor and a 24mm f1.8 lens, making it highly adept at low-light photography. It outperforms previous models, including the Air 3, which had a smaller sensor and less efficient light-gathering capabilities. With this upgrade, the Air 3S excels in capturing vibrant, sharp images, even when the lighting isn't ideal. The drone can shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second. FPS, meaning users can achieve ultra-smooth footage and slow-motion effects without compromising video quality. The D-Log-M color profile further enhances the dynamic range, allowing creators to get the most out of each scene. ActiveTrack 360, game-changing subject tracking. A standout feature of the Air 3S is the ActiveTrack 360 system, which was first introduced on the Mini 4 Pro. This feature enables users to track a subject while dynamically changing the camera angle, giving the drone an edge when it comes to aerial cinematography. It's perfect for those looking to create professional-looking shots, as the drone's ability to zoom around a subject in motion without losing focus is remarkable. DJI's combination of 6 vision sensors, 2 downward-facing infrared sensors, and the LiDAR sensor offers comprehensive coverage. This makes the Air 3S an incredibly responsive drone, avoiding obstacles even in complex environments, such as dense forests or urban landscapes filled with buildings and wires. Increased internal storage for more flexibility. DJI has also upgraded the internal storage of the Air 3S, bumping it up to 42 GB from the 8 GB of its predecessor.